2018, then Lieutenant Governor Kathy Hochul announced the start of Smart Street Lighting New York, a New York Power Authority-led program with the goal of replacing 500,000 streetlights with LED fixtures throughout New York State by the end of 2025. I am excited to share that we have achieved that goal nearly 3 years ahead of schedule. The program was a massive undertaking that involved collaboration with local and state government and the private sector. It will reduce greenhouse gases associated with streetlights, reduce municipal energy costs, lessen maintenance needs due to the longevity of LED lights, and improve safety for the local communities. I would like to congratulate all those that worked diligently to achieve this significant milestone. New York is now a cleaner and brighter place to live.